going to be introducing ourselves, eating some chocolate covered popcorn, and trying some new fruit.
And some water.
And we have water on the side.
Gatorade water.
Red fruit.
And what happened to mine?
This isn't it.
Daddy, y'all. That was my aunt, y'all.
You are.
My name is Maya. I'm 11.
My name is Miguel.
And
My name is Miguel.
I love watching YouTube videos. So we decided to make a YouTube channel.
I can't see you.
Comment down below
You're my chocolate bar.
and tell us what is your favorite kind of popcorn. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Oh, do I got some Hershey's?
All right, you gotta say your name, Sage.
Oh,
You gotta say your name.
And my name is Cecile, and I like the
Your name Rio.
Thank you.
How old are you, Rio?
2.
You 2.
Or
Sage, how old are you?
1.
You 1, 2?
Good.
Okay. What's your name?
Lamb.
How old are you, Lamb?
6.
You're 6. Cecilia, how old are you?
8.
Okay.
And I'm
Not
gonna get back in there.
That is 99.
You'll say it's aunt 99.
My aunt is like 25.
Real fat.
So where y'all from?
We're from Baltimore, Maryland.
Baltimore,
Woo! The United States.
America.
I kind of figured. She her own country. Don't play with her. Right.
And I'm in 6th grade.
I'm in
1st grade.
I'm in 3rd.
Do y'all hate getting popcorn seeds stuck in your teeth? Or popcorn kernels stuck in your teeth? I do. Comment down below. So,
That's bad.
like, look how much wood I dropped. What's your favorite thing to do?
My favorite thing is the march.
Then what's your favorite thing to do?
Oh, I'm confused. Damn.
If you see, she has anger problems.
That's her power. Anger.
I'm
You
in
bit your lip.
You okay?
My husband bit her lip.
You need some ice. Not my ice.
No, you don't. You don't need no ice. You don't eat no ice. You don't eat no ice.
Well, I'm March.
I'm
Don't-
1st
don't
grade.
fight on camera.
I'm a majorette.
I'm
What's the name of your band?
I'm back to be
Red from majorette. Red from.
marching band. Then you too slow. We both in the marching band. You should know it.
We still have yet
I'm
to see
Osmos in the band.
the fruit.
Yes, let me see this fruit. This weird looking fruit. Let me see. Don't open it.
No, wait.
So this is what it looks like.
This is what it looks like, you guys. It looks like it's protein. No, it's not a dragon fruit. I know that for sure. It's like a grapefruit. It's like dark. It's like bright red, dark, and then it's like it's very, very good. It tastes like a grape. So
You ate your fruit. Feel your fruit. Come on.
So this is what it looks like. It's a thick skin, but it's not real thick. When you peel your fruit, it should look like this. Right. It's a see the skin. This look like it looked like coconut. She stole her popcorn, guys. But it looked like a coconut.
It still look like this.
It tastes like a grape, actually. Really, it tastes like a grape.
Hold up.
Sometimes it can be sweet, sometimes it can be tart. But this is what it looks like, you guys. It's white. It's white, clearish. You know, then get your fruit so we can try it.
I ate my fruit.
Me too. I guess I'm the only one who's gonna be trying today. Dummy! I ate my fruit. My sister got a fruit. I'm about to prepare to eat this. It's good.
I swear I ate mine.
It's tough. Hey, Mom, do you like it?
It's okay.
It's like tough, but it's good. See? I
I
can pinch it, but if I was to grab it, I can't look.
It's like yellow.
You gotta grab what all you like. And stuff. But hey, guys, I will show you the seed in the middle of it. But this is real good. They got a bit. They shipped them to my school today.
I don't know if you might be allergic to it.
It's real good. Like it's real good. It tastes like a It tastes like a
What you ready?
It tastes like a grape and a grapefruit. But I'm about to open the seed for you. The seed is very soft, but
Yeah, just look.
how long? See?
Says you want my chocolate? Yeah, we got it. Huh.
Yeah,
The seed is green in the middle.
That's called a rambutan.
I got it.
Is it? Yeah, that's the fruit.
Okay, so rambutan.
Yeah.
We are eating rambutan. They are very, very.
Please correct us if we're wrong.
Please.
Sammy, what is this?
My mom is behind the camera.
My mommy had tail. My daddy had tail. Real.
I am about to drink some water.
My mommy had tail. I'm in the bed now.
No, you're not.
Who said that?
This fruit comes
I'm
from
18.
Are you done?
Indonesia.
Yes.
The
video?
Peace out, bro. Peace out, king.
No.
Peace out.
Go over there and say goodbye to your
Well.
Oh
Ooh.
Bye, guys.
Okay, so
Bye,
guys.
guys. Bye, guys.
Guys, tell us how long you want our next video to be.
Bye,
10 minutes, 20 minutes, 15
bye.
minutes,
Bye,
5 minutes, 6 minutes, however many minutes. The most commented one
bye.
we will do. So if y'all pick
Bye-bye.
20 minutes, we'll do a 20-minute video.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. We thinking to do one with our cousin.
Peace out, King and Queen gang.
I hate you, gang.